Guys, we have the AMG GT coupe here, the V8 Biturbo 4MATIC Plus. I mean, from the front, when I came here, I was like, this must be the AMG GTR. But then I noticed it from a close point, and then I realized that, okay, damn, it's not the AMG GTR, and you can see the Ultra Bug patch there. Then, yeah, the V8 Biturbo, look at the rims, especially the rims. Carbon ceramic, of course. Then the AMG badging on the exhaust notes and everything. And well, we have the interior of the car. That's the brake, that's the accelerator. And yeah, thank you to Aditya for showing us around. A nice experience.
And you also have a lift system.
Yeah, to go above the speed breakers and everything.
It's horrible sometimes.
Yeah, I've seen it in Bugattis and everything, but I think one thing is that I've never even seen a hypercar in real.
The lift system?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've seen supercars here, but
Yeah.
hypercars never.
They come Saturdays.
Bugatti, Koenigsegg,
Bugatti, Koenigsegg, everything.
maybe even a Pagani. Pagani, I think, is even more rarer.
Just one. I just saw it one time. Here. Yeah.
They literally nicknamed me Pagani Zonda in school.
Really?
Because they were like, भाई ये हर वक्त बस गाड़ी करते रहता है, ये आदमी पागल है. Well, look what got me here. Oh, damn, that was nice.
Close here.
Okay. It's all construction.
Yeah. All of it.
So you're basically into construction business, your whole family
Yeah.
and everything. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So where do you want to go now? Trust me. When it's close to you.
Anywhere where there is an S-Bahn, because I'll just take the S-Bahn.
Yeah? So the only problem is it's closed over there.
No worries.
Oh, let me check.
I think we should clear the way.
Yeah. This way.
Why the pops and crackers you hear?
Yeah, it is.
But what's your daily your daily driver
GLC, the normal
okay,
electric
okay.
one. I love electric.
Yeah, on the weekdays, yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
On the weekends, give me the V8.
Yeah.
It goes from 0 to 100 in what? Less than 3 seconds, I guess.
Yeah, I think 2.8, 2.9, yeah.
Oh, 2.9.
किधर Habanov जा रहे हैं?
Yeah, hub borough is okay. Yeah.
Let's go. We'll drop you over there.
Yeah. बाकी आप कहाँ पे रहते हैं?
It's 30 minutes. Other side, Hamburg.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So in the north side or the south?
The north side.
Oh, okay. So near Eimsbüttel or somewhere? Nord?
नहीं हो थोड़ा सा
आगे.
Yeah.
और आगे, okay.
Yeah, थोड़ा सा.
Damn. Bhai, this is the new normal for you, right?
But look here.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's sweating all the hands.
Yeah.
Trust me, that's why you have the Alcantara for.
Yeah. The Alcantara.
But
The rear seats are, I think, pretty unusable, right? They just it's like, I'm like, why do you even have it?
So the big ones are not for that cover. Trust me.
Yeah. I mean, how often do you visit India? कभी कभार?
Oh, मैं last time गया था 2 years ago.
हाँ, okay.
उसमें पहले मैं गया था 10 साल पहले.
Oh,
Yeah,
damn.
because time नहीं मिला.
Yeah.
काम पे रोज.
And
काम,
family
काम,
पूरी इधर ही है,
काम,
family
काम.
पूरी
Yeah,
इधर ही है,
मम्मी
so-
डैडी इधर ही है सब.
Yeah.
Yeah. पर मॉम डैड जाते हैं.
Yeah,
हर
they
एक
go
साल
more
एक
often.
बार.
Yeah. I mean, in 3 years, I have gone like once. That was even last year.
Yeah.
Yeah, my parents are like, come back here, come back. You know, like, and I'm like, sorry, but
Sorry, I
cars
have
are
to
here.
go.
Cars are here. And I'm like, आप दिल्ली में बुगाटी वेरोन ले आओ, मैं आ जाता हूँ.
मैं आ जाता हूँ.
Papa is like कि भाई अगर तूने इतनी इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ी है तो discover something new, you know, like discover a new engine or something.
Yeah.
Like put that पागलपन to use. I mean, he's crazy about Mini Coopers for what I don't know what reasons, but he's always like Mini Cooper le, Mini Cooper le, Mini
Huh?
Cooper le. My dad.
Yeah.
So I just thought कि भाई next year when he's retiring,
Yeah.
you know, I'll probably like get a Mini Cooper in India or
Wow, nice.
somewhere,
Yeah.
and just rent it out
Yeah,
for
why
a
not?
few days and
Why
then.
not?
पता नहीं ये सिंपल सी Mini Cooper में ऐसा क्या है ऐसा?
Enjoy है ना. ऐसी जगह go kart वो भी है. Go kart से.
Yeah. I mean, Mini Cooper is technically not even mini anymore because
No,
you know
it's like big car now.
yeah.
I will drop you off over
Yeah,
there.
sure.
The U-turn.
Sure. Should play Amplifier by Imran Khan.
Oh, I did.
Oh,
When I did
that car.
night drive. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
That's the greatest song of all time.
Yeah.
I have listened to German songs, Hindi songs, English
Yeah,
songs,
yeah.
Spanish songs. I'm like, sorry, bhai, nothing gets me as pumped as Amplifier.
Amplifier best.
मेरे कजन के पास इंडिया में Audi थी,
Yeah.
and we just used to blast it. We are like, कोई नहीं भाई, इसी को Lamborghini मान ले अभी फिलहाल के लिए. Something is better than nothing. At least we are in a car.
That's right.
Ah.
I will drop you off here. Okay?
Yeah.
So,
Can I just? Oh,
yeah, of course.
Well, this was my ride for today, the AMG GT Coupe. Thanks to Aditya bhai. I'll meet you soon, babe.